What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. And today is a new day because it's a popular day in Michigan, and that is we at the Woodward Dream Cruise. And I'm looking left because I'm at my favorite part, the gas station, to fill up the car because I burned a lot of gas in 2 days. Okay, so yeah, so back to the mission at hand. So right now, I just filled up the car. As y'all can see, I'm about to go to the Woodward Dream Cruise, but me and the Camaro Club, we blocked off a section at 13 and Woodward. Major shout out to the Metro Chevy dealers. They blocked out this for us, and we about to be at the baseball diamond. So I'm about to head there, show you my whole squad, man. It's pretty big. A lot of us come out to this, and then like the venues, like they have like different type of vendors out here. They got food trucks. We got the best spot on Woodward because we got our canopy set up. And we about to see a whole bunch of traffic, man. And I'm about to show you guys the Chevrolet dealership and everything around there. So stay tuned and enjoy this video. And I'm telling you guys, it's 8:50, 9 o'clock in the morning. Look how many people that's out here. Made it here, man, and this is where all of us are at. Like, look at all of these Camaros. All of them is the squad. All of them is the Motor City Camaro Club, as y'all can see there on the banner right there. Motor City Camaro Club, man. So y'all right here. This is I know y'all probably haven't seen this or don't believe like it's just a real thing, but this is a V6 1LE 2017. And this one here is actually one of 6 that was ever produced like this. Man, so y'all can see the specs that he got here. But this car is not even made no more. So this is like a phenomenal car to be in. I know the owner, I asked him about this car. He loved driving it. He picked it up from New York. But I'm shocked to see it. I gotta talk to him. It's for sale, man. So if y'all were looking for a V6 1LE to be one of 6, here it go. Right here, and this is the package that it comes with: the black hood. It comes with the 4-piston brakes. That's from the SS. Calipers. It got the regular calipers on the back, like the LT1, but it comes with the 1LE wicker bill, and you know the smoked out lights, 3rd brake light, dual exhaust. So, and he got all the features on there as the 2SS. So this is a good bargain of a car right here, and it's a manual. I don't know, can y'all see that, but it is a manual. So, because 1LEs, as y'all know, come in only manual. So, this boy is clean. We riding deep out here. If you ever come to Michigan, holla at me, man. Guarantee I can get you right. Guarantee I can get the knowledge that you need if I haven't shared it already. So, this event right here, where we about to head to, where I'm walking to, there is food on the other side over here. Vendors on the other side. So, I'm about to see what's all here. So, yeah, let's jump straight into it. Right here, like this is the food court exclusive to the Motor City Camaro Club and other people, but it's mostly us right here. We check in right here. And then we got some good food here. So you got the pita rolls, the Rolling Stone wood pizza. They got the Dream Machine ice cream, and then I forgot what this is, but we'll figure that out later today because I'm gonna try everything. All right, so we here at the Chevrolet Performance. The Hot Wheels edition, 1st gen. Look at that. That boy nice right there. Ooh, And then we have the Kobo over here too.
I need this.
You don't need the Kobo. You don't need the Kobo. Ooh, man. This is nice.
Dog, look at that thing, bro. That's like 2 of our engines.
Man, look at the head it's on there.
That's what I'm saying. The heads together is like our engine. Like,
look at that, man.
This is a monster, bro.
Y'all driving
kind of. You can actually see it at the bottom of the engine bay, bro. Like you know our car is so tight.
22. Yeah, this running 9's easy. Look at this, man. The LT6 race engine. First time seeing this. Like, look at the intake manifold on this engine.
It's starting. I take the music on the
Then look at the NASCAR version. This is pretty sweet. This is the first time I've ever seen a NASCAR version with the slicks. I need to figure out what type of slicks they use. Oh, this tubeless?
They gotta be tubeless.
Okay, but man, what they all got set up in there is pretty crazy. Look at the wicker bill on there too.
Oh, you know what?
Oh wow, I thought it was on there. That's fake.
Wow. Since it turned left, is that why wicker bill like that?
Wow. 88 Monte Carlo, but they put the LS3 motor in it.
They chose a good color.
Ooh, this is nice.
It's a nice color.
It is, man. That's the one thing about the old school cars, though. Like you can like put like different blocks in there if you want. Like you can put the LT1 in there if you want.
You can put anything in there, bro.
Like the wheels, these are like Forge line wheels.
Got the LT4 in it, bro. This Camaro has an LT4.
Oh, it says right there.
No, this is a dream build behind you, bro. Turn
LS3 525.
Look at this masterpiece.
Ooh.
That's nasty.
They put an LT4 in the Gen 2.
Nasty, boy.
Oh, the 1970 Camaro right
Imagine
here.
if this came like this, they wouldn't know what to do in 1970, bro.
Oh, that's nice.
We would have had Hellcats in 1970 if they had this in there, bro. Just think about that.
Ooh.
That's nasty.
Oh.
They had fun up in the dealership with this one, I ain't gonna lie.
Oh. Look at that, man. Got them on bikes. Look at this. This is crazy. Hey, this is stuff that you only see like on weddings and stuff. People just like rent these out or have it in front of the hall or something.
Man, you could get some action in that backseat, no problem.
It's a 65. Like, look at the interior though. They got the gray poupon in there. Wow, man.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, a little mini table. That's crazy, man.
With the mini tables on there.
And they got the seats slid all the way up for more room, man. So, this my one is nice. Upgraded suspension with a nice Whipple on here. That is sweet. Oh man.
He ain't getting back up.
You got everybody coming down. All this traffic over here. Traffic all the way over there. Which is crazy. And look at this dude. Somehow he always end up in my videos, man. This guy always end up in my videos. Like, why are you always in my videos, dude? Look at this cute. Look at that. Q even out here on Woodward Dream Cruise getting some of that good content, man. So look at all these cars, man. Great. All these vendors. No, we got the mystery machine from Scooby-Doo here, man. Look at that. I'm gonna check the inside out since you got the doors open. Look at that joint. You can live in it. Pretty sweet.
Let's walk.
Look at that, man. That's crazy.
You got parachute.
Yeah, you got a nice ghost cam in there.
Come on, Taz, do it for the grill. Do it for the grill.
That big cat.
Do it for the city. Do it for the
Okay, guys, so I thought I recorded an outro when I was at Woodward Dream Cruise because I thought my camera was rolling, but my camera was acting up and it was like turn it off, and I had plenty of battery and it was just hot and humid out there with all the cars, man. But that is going to wrap this video up. If you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed a small snippet of Woodward Dream Cruise, y'all curious about coming to the Woodward Dream Cruise, be sure to come on up, man. It happens on the 3rd weekend of every August of every year, man. And y'all see how big the turnout is. So it's a nice turnout every year, and it brings lots and lots of people. And the weekend before that is Dodge Roadkill. So if y'all like this video, y'all be sure to hit that like button. Y'all be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video, man.